My name is Tara Bergner, and this is my Hangman design using C++. At the top, you can see my libraries, such as my IOStream. I have stream for my output and input, string for my string features, vector to allow for my list of words, and my random and algorithm libraries for my calculations, especially like the randomizing through my list. Here's my list of words. I did want to eventually get to the point where I had different classes and I just ran out of time, unfortunately. So it's all in one page, just my hangman.cpp. Here's the random feature that iterates through my vector and then selects a word at random and then displays it. Here we have the display method. And I did try a couple of different methods for displaying the gallows and came to the final conclusion that this was the easiest to iterate through um, and simplest design to iterate through adding each limb for the hangman. Then we get to the for loop, and that's just showing like the dashes that cover up the word, and then the while loop, which runs through the game. So then we have our different stages, which are here of our hangman. So we always start at the very first stage. And then it iterates through our word, uh, asking them for a letter and then replacing that hidden place with a letter. Then here we've created higher up, we've created a list for letters that are not included in the word. If the letter is included in the word, it will replace that dash anywhere that that letter is. If it is not, then it will add it to the list of letters that do not belong. If they use a character that is not a letter, then it also will display that, or will display this message. Please select a valid letter A through Z. Here's our win condition. If all of the dashes are gone, then the player has won the game, and it will ask them, it'll say congratulations and ask if they would like to play again. If they hit Y, it will loop through the game again with a new random word. And if they hit N, then the game will end. The lose condition, sorry, you lose, and would you like to play again as well? In our main, we also have our play again while loop, where they're asked if they would like to play again, and they can say yes or no. And then here we also have our thank you, and our display, which is the whole game, is inside our while loop. So I'm going to run program and start selecting letters. Okay, so that was really easy. Congratulations, you guessed papaya. Would you like to play again? I can just hit yes, and that'll loop through again. Then we got banana. Would you like to play again? Thanks for playing, and it ends the game. Now here, if we add a 1, it does ask us to please select the valid letter A through Z, and it will loop back to the beginning of the game. So then try E, and we did get an E. If we just guess wrong letters the whole time, you can see that it does loop through each of the different stages of the gallows. And then we get our sorry you lose message, and would you like to play again? And you can hit yes or no if you'd like to play again. And that's my program.